the new government. The earlier government had filed an affidavit before
But you
the
made
court
fun of them,
that
no?
they do not want an SIT. Now that is number one, the change in stance. Number two, very senior people have visited Switzerland and got a few documents done in furtherance to the intention of getting
that is a paid holiday, madam.
money.
That is a paid holiday.
The exchange of information to getting more information, we have investigated on our side.
Meenakshi
They will give us the evidence.
Meenakshi Lekhi,
they will
simple
not give
question
the
to
evidence
you.
of their own, but they will give the evidence.
Simple question to you.
To show them certain documents.
Simple question.
Frankenstein and the other list.
No, Miss Lekhi, I'll tell you, Miss Lekhi, you see, Miss Lekhi, one second, Miss Lekhi, do you realize today why you are on thin ice on this one? I'll tell you why you are on thin ice on this debate. 1 second, hear me out. You are not on thin ice on the argument is Jaitley technically correct or not? I say, okay, Jaitley is technically correct, but there is a gentleman called L.K. Advani who...
So was Pranab Mukherjee.
No. L.K. Advani in November 2011. Listen to me. It's your own words which are coming back to haunt you. Aryaman Sundaram, I want you in on this and then we can get Ms. Lekhi to respond. L.K. Advani trains guns at the Congress government in 2011. The BJP then is gung-ho. We will go after the Congress party on the issue of black money. Emotional issue, people of India will respond. हमारा पैसा लूटा गया है, हम वापस लाएंगे. लुटेरों का पैसा वापस लाएंगे. हर एक लुटेरा का नाम हम पब्लिक कर देंगे. This was the kind of popular position you took then. At that time, L.K. Advani said, the nature of the agreement, and I'm quoting L.K. Advani, Aryaman Sundaram, he said, the nature of the agreement which India has entered into is so worded that the government takes shelter under it to refuse to extract information. Aryaman Sundaram, he said the government, Congress government takes shelter, takes shelter under the agreement to refuse to extract information. Today, your government takes shelter under the same argument to refuse to extract information.
We are not taking shelter. We are
how does it when the Congress does it, they don't take shelter when you do it?
On our side to get the documents from the other side.
Okay.
That is the difference.
Can I just come in here for a moment?
And not only this, we are
no, but you level the charge at the Congress.
Another agreement, if possible, the talks are already on.
Aryaman Sundaram,
information regarding
you see, you made it a political issue.
Can I just come in for a moment, please?
Will be shared.
So far,
we have moved ahead of the Congress party. Please.
Then you should simultaneously file charges against all the people immediately.
You have repeated exactly what you're saying.
You can't file charges against
I think we have to come down to the basic issue.
Half of them or whatever number of them are NRIs. And those accounts, they
just
have
a minute. Aryaman Sundaram.
So there are
Aryaman
Sundaram. And based on those different issues, you will be filing the
Aryaman Sundaram.
Please wait for a while till the charges are investigated and the cases are filed for prosecution.
You said that 10 times, that you will disclose it when the charges are over, when the charges are framed. Excuse me, madam, do you have any choice but to disclose it? Because when charges are framed, they are framed in court, everybody will know about it. So it's not that you're disclosing something, it has to be disclosed by law.
Excuse me,
the
sir,
question
do
is
you
a
know
bit
the law of
different.
defamation?
The question, madam,
do you understand the right of
madam,
privacy?
let me just
do you
finish what I'm saying.
understand that you can't just blame people
Madam,
without
I
going into the
understand only
details?
one thing,
Could you please
that
answer
you
me
are
on this
speaking the
point?
same language that I heard the Congress speaking 2 years ago.
I am not speaking the same.
And you're saying
I'm
the same
asking you the
thing
question.
10
Could you
times
please enlighten
what they
me on the
said
legal
5 times.
point? So far
Can
as
I
this aspect
please,
is
madam, I
concerned,
can equally shout you down.
Yes,
I don't
please.
want to do it. All
I'm not shouting you down. I've been very polite with you. I've asked you 3 questions. Kindly answer me on those 3.
Well, madam, if you want to repeat the same thing again and again, I'm sure you got your message through. But I have a very simple question for you.
Well, sir, you are going on repeating. You're not coming to the point and you've not answered a single question which I have raised.
Okay, let him
regarding the law of privacy, regarding defamation and right of an accused. You've not answered me on that.
Mr. Sundaram, reply please.
Madam, how can I answer anything if you don't give me a chance to say something? How can I answer anything? Will you please hear me for a second? I am pointing out something which is very clear. The situation 3 years ago and the situation today is the same because it's the same treaty which we are talking about. And that treaty you were very well aware of when you made all your statements and accusations against the Congress 3 years ago, and they are very well of it when they are making their accusations against you. But one thing is very clear from the treaty, that the disclosure arises when there is an initial investigation and there is a satisfaction in the country concerned that the person's taking of the money which is there is illegal money. The only question is, in the last 150 days, has this investigation proceeded any further than it was 150 days ago?
Sir.
And where are we today? Unless we are only going to keep repeating the same thing again and again, when the investigation is over, that's what the Congress also said.
It will be filed in the court, so you will know.
When?
So that's where we are. We are back in non-disclosure.
Then the charge on me will be that I'm influencing.
No. Okay, closing comments. Can I say something at the end? Mr. Raghunandan. Mr. Raghunandan.
Most of these cases
you see,
never go to
we have moved ahead from that position.
No, Mr. Raghunandan, what appears to me, I'm giving Mr. Raghunandan the last word. Mr. Raghunandan has spoken the least.
Pay taxes and penalties.
Meenakshi.
And if it is 95 treaty which comes in the way, we have moved ahead even on that.
Meenakshi, you see what happens is
information sharing
Miss Meenakshi Lekhi, Miss Lekhi,
and investigation has already started.
Miss Lekhi, 1 second. Miss Lekhi. One second, Miss Lekhi, your situation today. No, one minute. Your situation today is like that of the chef who says, I'm going to lay out a 7-course dinner, and to a very hungry man, right? And the hungry man gets ready and is sitting on the table, and the chef comes in and the chef says, but I've got nothing for you. And then the hungry man asks the chef, but where's my 7-course dinner?
I'm sorry,
no, 1 second. And then the chef, and the chef asks the hungry man, why are you hungry? The chef then asks the hungry man, why are you hungry? But the question will be, why did you whet my appetite? Why did the BJP, Mr. Raghunandan, why did the BJP tell the people of India all this while?
Dessert will come in due course.
No, your question is,
please accept the soup
to win an election, did you overstate your case? Simple point, Mr. Raghunandan. To win an election, you overstate your case.
It's possible.
Mr. Raghunandan, to win an election, you tell the people, you promise the one thing and then you take a technical line later.
They had said in that overzealous attitude
listen to Mr. Raghunandan's perspective.
Okay, that's possible.
Okay, listen
I'm not denying that. At the same time, the soup is being served. The intent is very clear.
No, you can't use an issue politically.
And we are bringing it.
No, you can't.
150 days or 145 days.
Miss Lekhi, I am only on the ethics today. Miss Lekhi, please hear me on this. Miss Lekhi, fair and square, I am on the ethics of saying one thing. No, Mr. Raghunandan, I am on the ethics of saying, you promise one thing, you tell people one thing, you promise them one thing, you make it a single point agenda of your campaign, you raise the expectations of the people, and then you say, why are you expecting anything, Mr. Raghunandan?
Very clear.
Mr. Raghunandan.
And 7-course meal is
Mr. Raghunandan.
I'm bound
Arnab, I completely agree with you.
Will come together.
Mr. Raghunandan.
I think what has happened is that the BJP has terribly overstated its case, and the people of India have been naive enough to believe that. But honestly, in my opinion, and this is a very pessimistic opinion, I don't think both the mainstream parties and some of the regional parties who are flush with money are going to be serious about it. They will obfuscate this whole issue by raising various legal and technical points, because the whole point is that it is corrupt money that funds campaign finances.
We want to do away with the technicalities and
if one party steps out of line and kind of begins to disclose these matters, then it's a question of the whole thing collapsing, imploding like a pack of cards. And it will harm parties across the board. I think this is something that there will be a lot of shadow boxing about. A few people will be caught, there will be non-entities. I don't think
I make an appeal to a person called Baba Ramdev today. I am making a public appeal to a person called Baba Ramdev today. 1 second. Baba Ramdev ji, आप जहाँ पे भी हो, आप जो भी कर रहे हो, wherever you are, Baba Ramdev, and whatever you are doing, hold a press conference ताकि देश की जनता ये जान सके कि आपका जो पोजीशन था ब्लैक मनी पर, आज आप उसी पोजीशन पे है कि नहीं. Do you have the same position on black money that you had earlier? Second point is simple. Who made this a hot political issue? If the BJP made this a hot political issue, raised the expectations of the people, you can't have a legal response to a political issue. You can't have a legal response to an issue that you made a political issue before the election.
Law needs to follow.
So, no, that's right. But you didn't say, you didn't speak that language before the election, and maybe we should do a before and after one. I thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
Prime Minister.
I will follow this story. We'll follow the story. The Congress party is nobody to talk because they defended not revealing names when they were in power. But the BJP has also landed itself into a little bit of a soup here, more than a soup here really. It's going to have to answer the expectations of the people when after raising the expectations themselves. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for joining us on this News Hour debate tonight. Thank you.